Hi guys, House in Motion here. Once again, I'm starting this part of the video from the lift, and look who is here. Look who is here. sorry guys, I'm with baby Siobhan here. Look at her. She's so excited, you know. She is super excited. She loves coming up here to enjoy, to play. Look at her. Look at her. Alright guys, so I'm just from work. I arrived home, it's the evening hours, and I decided to come here, get baby Siobhan out, you know, just to have fresh air, because she has been indoors since morning, and you can see the excitement she's having, yeah? Look at the highway now, using our camera here. Wow. It's so windy up here. It's extremely windy. So that's what baby Siobhan loves or enjoys doing when we come here. She has been missing it, you know, since morning. Today they didn't come out, I'm told. So I decided to come up here and just help her, you know, enjoy what she loves enjoying. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I'm up here trying to cheer baby Siobhan up. I've got her, she was so dull in the house. She wanted to go out, and right now it's late in the evening, it's almost 6 p.m. I cannot check her, you know, far away from our home here. So I decided, you know what, let me just bring her out here, and we have a good time. She runs around as I help her, you know, like it's a game where I chase her and she runs away. So that's what she enjoys doing. That's what she misses me for, because I'm the best when it comes to baby games, you know. So guys, you might be wondering why is my shirt looking like it has no button. So today morning, the morning when I was going to work, something funny happened. I was just walking, and when I was getting into the bus to go to work, this button here dropped all of a sudden, and I couldn't go back home. I was getting late, so I just went with this shirt like that. I normally open this first button here. Yes, this one here. So it's usually like somewhere here. There's a button here. So it's usually like this. And today this one dropped, so I went to work like this with most of my chest exposed, and I don't like that actually. I don't love it at all. So I will have to repair it before I went next time.
If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Guys, I'm outside. I went inside, left baby Siobhan in the house. I changed, and currently I'm out. I'm heading to a very small market here. Actually, it's not like a market. It's a place where we have a few stores or a few shops, and I'm going to buy something for supper. Yeah, some veg, maybe some eggs, such kind of stuff, tomatoes, onions. And yes, I'm rocking a red hoodie. Yeah, looks like Valentine, even though it's not Valentine's Day, it's June. Yeah, but looks red. Yeah, so this is my neighborhood right here. This construction is not done yet. They're still working on the house, but on the ground floor people are still operating there. There's some shops there. Yeah, very beautiful neighborhood. And this place, one thing I love about this place is actually the security. Cases of insecurity are very minimal. Yeah, that's one thing I love about this beautiful neighborhood here. But also another thing that I hate about it is that it has a lot of bars and clubs, all over the place. So I don't feel like it's that good because of that, because I'm raising a young kid, I'm raising a child, and I could not want her to grow up in such a place. Now this one thing about our places here, see, they throw dirt and litter on the road sometimes, but again, it's not such a bad place. You're hearing music from the background. Those are clubs. For example, this area up here, it has actually two. That one there, it has two clubs at the same building here. Those are bars, local bars, small bars, which is crazy. And the road is not that good, so the government is letting us down here somehow. It's getting late, so I'm gonna head to my favorite kibanda or shop where I buy skuma wiki. Skuma wiki is kales. Yeah, yeah, my favorite one. Favorite mom who sells very delicious skuma wiki here. So I normally buy from only one person. That's where I'm headed to. Take some skuma and a few stuff, maybe eggs as well. And that's how I end my day, you know. That's how I end my day. All right. This place has a number of apartments and a very huge population. Yeah. This is how it feels like to walk in these streets. Sukuma ya 30.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Never you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Guys, tell me why I've gone up to our gate and then I remembered I haven't bought one thing. So I'm going back again to the shops to buy that one thing before I go to the house. So it's getting darker and darker. See the street, how it looks like. This is the main street back here where we buy most of our stuff actually. It's the main street. See how it looks like. Not so big, but again, looks good to some extent. This is how the back, like most residential areas here in Nairobi look like this. Yeah, especially where is this the middle class or the lower class? I don't know. I think middle class. Yeah, middle class. Middle class, because we have the poor who live in slums, and this is not a slum, so our people are slightly above the poor. Because middle class residential places are actually different. They look nice, they look better than this.
for all to see. Then switch it up and treat me right. You promised sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough. Please let me be. But I love what you do to me. From me, and then you touch, I feel so much. I just love what you do to me. Just love